Are you looking to edit reels quickly with ease and no friction whatsoever? Well, stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to show you how to just do that step by step and also use a free app like InShot in the process. So stay tuned. Before that though, if you haven't yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified for a video weekly on how to monetize your Instagram presence with confidence. Now, I have used this app for a long time now, and I gotta say, I've made hundreds of videos, as you can see, and the first video that I made took like hours to edit, so I'm really excited to help you guys fast track this process. Now, quick note, but this time you must have already recorded a short video that you're watching in the screen now, and pre-select a reel audio. Now, once you have that, you are going to save that and it will be saved as muted, but no worries about that. I'm going to show you how to restore that step by step after the tutorial. Now let's go and watch it. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on the InShot app and then click on the create new video, and then after creating new video we're going to select a pre-recorded video that we already have based on the audio we're going to use on the Instagram app, and then we're going to make sure that the ratio is okay by clicking on Canva ratio and the TikTok format, which is similar to the reel format. So we can then select a background image, or we can even select a color. So the color, well, in my case, I'm going to keep it on red, so it's going to be purple. And we can also add a very cool feature that is a sticker. So every reel has to have a purpose. So in this case, I am going to create this to build my email list. So I'm going to add a little image as a sticker of my free ebook, my freebie. So I'm going to select sticker, and then on sticker I could also add some images, some trending images, or GIFs or funny things to catch my audience attention. But in this case, I'm going to go to my camera roll, and from my camera roll, I'm going to choose the already screenshot image that I have. And this is the fun part. So I can either make it small or big. And you see the yellow line there? So this works just as Instagram or TikTok, where you have to more or less modify the length according to the duration that you want that image to be. So in this case, it says click me. So I can either make it start more or less from the second frame, and I can make it either longer or shorter. So in this case, I want to take it towards the end, more or less, because I want to add a CTA in the end to invite my followers to click the link in bio. And so after this, I can add a little bit of text as well. But first, I can split the remove excess that I don't want from the video by clicking on edit, and then the text. We're going to put graph my freebie or free ebook, and we can also add the color that we want on the label or in the text or the border to make it more flashy, and then after that we can also adjust the position so they don't overlap. We don't want that to look disorganized. So after that we are going to maybe move a little bit of the position of the text there. Okay. And okay, we're gonna leave it there. Now, as an extra step, after moving it down there, we can also add some like stickers or call to actions. In my case, I'm going to add link in bio. So I'm going to add link in bio, and that makes it more attention grabbing, right, to my audience. That's it. So it's pretty quick. So after that, we are just going to adjust this, and we are going to save it, and this is going to be saved in the camera roll so that we can use it on Instagram. So before I show you how to take that to the Instagram app and save it or post it, let me know what you're thinking about this app. Is it easy to use? Have you used it before? Comment below because I want to know how I can help you better. Okay, let's continue with the final process on Instagram. All right, so we are going to click on Instagram and then the plus sign to upload our reel already made on InShot. And so we're going to select the reel setting, then the video that we're going to use from our camera roll. And then remember that this is without audio, so we're going to select the audio option and click on the audio that we are going to be using. And we are going to then test it and see how everything
came from my hands.
Okay, so now we can save it as draft or post it after writing a caption. Okay, I know what you're thinking. So this short video was edited for what? Well, there has to be an intent and purpose, of course. So to that end, I have prepared a free ebook for you with a collection of 109 CTAs that you can use straight away to fast track the process of conversion. And you can click it on the link below in the description or in my banner. So guys, I have loved sharing this value for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do and click that notification bell and stay tuned, because on the next video I am going to walk you through how to sell in IG stories. And as you all know, now the link sticker is now available to many people. I don't have available yet, I'm still waiting, but this will work for you where you have the link sticker or not. So I cannot wait to see you until the next video.